Did I hear dumped Cheerios? That's no problem. Look at my new vacuum here, guys. This is completely cordless, so it's going to go anywhere. We don't have to plug it in. It's ready at a moment's notice. And the best part, guys, this thing goes through a self-cleaning cycle. Also, it can be a mop, too. Isn't that pretty cool? So let's go ahead and give this bad boy a whirl. Here it's sitting up to 9,000 RPMs right now. And watch this. Look at how easy it does that. Just like that. Cereal mess, gone. No problem.